Hi and welcome to this tutorial. Today we will see how to create columns in text using CSS in Elementor. So use the text editor widget and insert your text here. Now if you go to the advanced panel and custom CSS, use the selector and then you want to use column count. Type in the number of columns that you want, and you can also control the column gap width between these two columns. So use the column gap and type in, for example, 60 pixels. You can also set the width of the entire container, for example, to be 900 pixels, and that's it. I hope you found this video useful. If you have, feel free to give a like or subscribe and stay tuned for more.